two key concepts, distal minority stress and proximal minority stress. Usually, distal minority stress is the one talked about. It's all the external events, discrimination, enacted stigma, violence, harassment, etc. But in this theoretical model, the proximal stressors are, I think, more important because they mediate and moderate how well that distal stressors affect the health. Because proximal stressors are person's own psychological factors. They take factors from the outside world and internalize them as a negative self-belief, as internalized homophobia, internalized transphobia, which can come in manifest as expectations of rejection and also negative values about their own identities, because current research has showed that even when our society has gone forward in the last few years quite a lot, the minority stress factors have not lessened at all. The amount of it in the quantitative research is the same as 20 years ago in the 95-96. And the proximal stress has been proposed to be the reason, because the minority individuals still carry those internalized negative self-beliefs, and they can be accumulated by proxy from traumatic experiences by other people also. It doesn't mean that the person has to encounter harassment or violence themselves. It's enough that they see that happen in the society, in the media, in the news, in the political discussion. I propose that the minority stress theory can be used in explaining why minority individuals, not only LGBT people, but all marginalized minority individuals, have higher incidences of negative health consequences. And minority stress can be used in health promotion. Usually we focus on curative care, meaning we treat disease, sickness that's already there, but we should prevent those from happening. I think there should be societal responsibility to promote minorities' health, because the health differences are caused by the factors they encounter in our societies. And especially the social healthcare professionals have key role in promoting health. We can support the identity development. We have the possibilities to reduce stigma in social and healthcare settings.